Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is Carissa here and I am excited like always for today's video. So about a week or so before Halloween, Juvia's Place announced that they were doing a mystery bag. So for $15, you were supposed to get something like 10 eyeshadows and a makeup brush and the makeup bag. Yes, of course, I snagged one up and I have it here. And I'm very excited to show you guys what's inside. I did already peek, I already know what's in there, but I was not disappointed. So if you are interested in finding out what was inside of the Juvia's Place mystery bag, then continue watching. And you guys, please remember, if you like me, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and if you do subscribe, hit that notification bell, and that is gonna send you notifications whenever I post new content. Yeah, so let's jump right in, you guys. Okay, so I'm so excited to show you guys what was inside of this. This is the makeup bag. It's very large. I mean, I have big hands. This is a really large bag. Like, you could fit basically an entire face of makeup. Like, this is perfect for traveling and perfect for storage. It feels really sturdy, very nice. So this is the makeup bag. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So the very first thing, which was a complete surprise to me, and in my opinion is what makes this worth way more than $15, the bag came with an entire eyeshadow palette. What? An entire eyeshadow palette. This palette in itself has 12 shadows inside. So I'm already off the bat getting way more than they said I was even gonna get. Insane. So I do not have this palette already. I do have two Juvia's Place eyeshadow palettes. I love them both. This one, oh my gosh, the color story is right down my alley. So this is the Nubian, just the original, the Nubian by Juvia's Place. And these are the beautiful shadows that come inside. Oh my goodness. This is the perfect fall winter shades. I will definitely use this palette. Instantly worth my $15, right with one thing, the very first thing. Let's see. A whole blush, you guys. What in the world? So I actually do already have it. Let me just really quick show you guys what the blush looks like. This is the Serafina Blush. This is what it looks like. It's a beautiful coral. I do use it all the time, but just like the eyeshadows, this blush is so pigmented. Let's keep going. I'm just gonna pull these all out together. Friends, 5 shadow pans. What? So a whole palette, a whole 12 shadows in a palette, and then 5 single pan shadows. So these are the beautiful shades. We've got a beautiful like deep plum. This is Empress. A beautiful shimmer, Angola. Another matte, Ethiopia, and I love this one. I think I'm gonna use this today for my eye look. And then we've got another shimmer, Lala. And last but not least, Carlota. Now, the very last thing that is in my bag is a makeup brush. Now, it is a little bit dirty because I did use it to put on some highlighter. This is the Juvia's Place highlighter brush. It is actually brush number 1. Soft baby hairs. Amazing. So that is everything, you guys. That was the highlighter brush, 5 single shadows, and then a whole entire blush and a whole entire eyeshadow palette. Not to mention the makeup bag itself. I am stunned. This bag was 100% worth $15. If you ask me, definitely worth more than $15. I probably would have paid $30 for everything that's in this bag. So yeah, amazing Juvia's Place. You are amazing. And now that you guys know what's inside of the mystery bag, I'm going to use these products to complete my makeup look, and we're just gonna jump right into that. So first thing, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my blush because I already have my whole entire face done, and I am gonna use the blush that I already had. It's already open, so I'm just gonna go ahead and dip into that. I'm gonna go in with this blush brush. Can you see how much pigment I got? And I only did like a light little boop. So I'm just gonna tap it off pretty good. I'm a little scared. And I'm just gonna go right in with this blush. beautiful. This is such a beautiful blush, you guys. Seriously, I love it. I really do. A little bit on the nose, never hurt anybody. All right, so the very last thing that I need to do is an eye look. I am going to grab out the Nubian palette. I'm thinking like probably this nice soft brown for sure. I am also gonna grab out the Ethiopia single pan shadow. So let's just slide this little baby out. Oh my God, it's huge, you guys.
Look at the pan size.
This mystery bag is definitely worth more than $15. I don't care what anybody says. Juvia's Place, you guys are amazing and stunning. And I am so glad that I found your products. And then I'm also gonna pull out Lala. Tinky Winky, Dipsy, Lala, and Po. So beautiful. The Ethiopia, and this is just gonna be it's gonna be so chocolatey and delicious and beautiful, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna grab this nice fluffy blending brush and I'm going to apply, I'm so sorry you guys, a lot of the eyeshadow palettes from Juvia's Place do not have shade names, so I can't give you a shade name. I'm gonna grab this beautiful soft brown and I'm going to work that into the transition area around the crease. I am so impressed and blessed with this mystery bag. I'm like shook, and I feel like I robbed them. Like, how did I get so much amazing stuff in this mystery bag? It's beyond me. And this shadow is looking stunning, of course. I wasn't expecting anything less. And I'm just kind of blending it, fluffing it around. Same thing on the other side, y'all. You already know. I'm gonna go in with a bit of a denser packed blending brush. So if you can just take a peek, see the difference. This one is not quite so densely packed, it's softer, and this one is gonna help get a little more pigment and like concentrate where I want the product. I'm taking this blending brush and I'm gonna dip into my shade Ethiopia. So I'm just gonna work this into my outer corner and just blend away, baby. You know what we do. And then I'm gonna take the brush I used just a minute ago for that lighter brown, and I'm just going to blend around the edges there. And I don't have any extra products. I'm just blending what is on the skin and doing a bit of a flick away at the end. When it comes to Juvia's Place, I'm never worried about wasting my money, to be honest, because I know that their products are high quality. Everything is high quality, it's affordable, so stunning. So I'm just going back in with my transition shade and blending everything out. Still doing my soft flick. The dog is snoring so loud in my ear. Okay, Eric just called me in the middle of the video, so let me do a quick recap on what I did while I was talking to him on the phone. I just finished blending my shadows a little bit. I did my under eye. Obviously it's nothing crazy, pretty straightforward. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the shimmer now. So this is the shade Lala, like I previously said. It is so pretty and I'm so excited to put it on. So I'm just gonna take my finger, oh, it's very soft, and I'm going to gently pat that into the inner corner area. With that one, I'm gonna take just the brush with no extra product and go over that a little bit, blend that. Stunning. Wipe my finger off on a makeup wipe. I'm gonna do the same thing I did over on the other side, just blend that a little bit. Let's finish our eyes really fast. I'm going to throw on some mascara and some lashes, and then I will be right back. Okay, I gave up on the lashes. That wasn't working out. So we're not gonna wear any false lashes today. I'm just gonna go natural and not even worry about it. All right, you guys, so that is it for today's video. I just could not wait to share my Juvia's Place mystery bag with you guys. I truly feel like I got way more bang for my buck. And if they ever do it again, I do recommend you guys, if you have the money, pick it up because it is definitely worth it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, this is Carissa. If you enjoyed this video, if you enjoy me, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time.